Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a short, quick video. Very interesting. It just happened this weekend. That's why I want to throw it out there to you guys so you guys could have a good video about what I went through this weekend. So I was going some tax sales with my wife and kids, right? And not so far from this town, my town, you know, they were doing what they call bulk pickup, bulk trash pickup, where people do, you know, they do it like once or twice a year where they, you know, people get the stuff in the houses, they just put it on a curbside and then they come and pick it up after. So I went by this house, I had a real estate sign, and my wife and I, you know, we saw a couple of good stuff in there, so we stopped. And as soon as I stopped, they had a lot of good stuff. I'm telling you, a lot of good stuff. You know, my wife found some baskets for decoration. There was even an Xbox with controllers, games, baseball cards, you know, decoration stuff, all bunch of stuff. But I came across this box, old creepy looking old box. So when I opened it, I saw a lot of custom jewelry. You know, had some bracelets, some earrings. But in there was a 14 karat gold chain. In the trash, 14 karat gold chain, like this one here. You're not gonna believe it. I just put, you know, I looked at it. I have a tester. I tested it. Everything was good. 14 karat gold. Nice, beautiful, elegant necklace. So, you know, I told my wife, listen up. I'm gonna use one of my sources. I use a lot of OfferUp, Letgo, and eBay. Those are like one of my three. I also use Facebook Marketplace, which is another good one. But, you know, I put it in OfferUp within like a couple of hours. It started hitting me up quick for the chain. I ended up selling it. I put it up for like 200, so it gives me a little bit of room for bargain. You know, because sometimes if you want to get, if you have an idea of what you want to get out of something, you should always price a little high so you got a room to work with. So, you know, I priced it at 200. This guy came in and he bought it for 160. So basically, I have 160 that I found on the garbage. What better than that, guys? What better than that? You know? Also, just a little bit so you guys could see a little taste of some of the stuff that I found, because I got a whole bunch of stuff that I got to sort through, and I'll be showing you guys. And as I sell them, I'm going to be posting you guys how much I'm getting for the stuff. This 1950 mic, it's a Turner Dynamics from the 50s. Still, you know, screwed down. Those are the ones that they used to sing, you know, put them in those big metal poles. Look at how nice. Tell me that it looks good. I just cleaned it up a little bit. Perfect. And it's going straight to eBay. Nice collectible. I looked it up. They go for like $100, $125. Can't beat it. I found it in the trash. What else? This nice tin can. Another preview. Another can. I could probably get like $10 out of it, easy. Even if I put it on eBay or in a tax sale. A lot of people look for this collectible stuff, you know? So, and I got some items that I got in tax sales, but that's coming up next on one of my, you know, coming up videos. So you better stay tuned, keep looking. Remember, keep following me. You guys are gonna have fun with me as I go. So like I said, this box, it's a good treasure. Some of that custom jewelry, I might do a tax sale. Put it out there. Every time I do a tax sale and I got custom jewelry, it goes like that, quick. It's a quick flip, especially when you didn't pay nothing for it. Well, better than that, it's free money. So basically, you know, I spend on a tax sales probably like $20, $30 on the weekend, maybe 40. I got it back in an hour because I found a gold chain in the trash. Come on, guys. It doesn't get better than that. That's just free money. 14 karat gold chain in the garbage for $160. What better than that, guys? And in my next video, remember, I'm gonna take you guys thrifting. So follow me, you know, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Ring the bell, notification bell, and you will receive instant videos of what's coming up next. All right, guys? So stay tuned, follow me, and stay safe. Bye.